Hey students, how you doing? It's Ryan Bradshaw at Johnston Community College, and I just wanted to make a brief video to talk to you about this registration process. The genesis of this was we wanted to do things that are easier, more seamless, more convenient for you, the students, because we know what a burden registration can be. And so we got together and talked about it, and we put together this form that I think you're going to like. So basically what you do is go into the form. It's like ordering a pizza with an app. You'll put in your order, tell us what you want, and then we will fulfill that order. We will go in and register you for the classes that you've indicated that you're interested in. Keep in mind that if you request something that's not on your degree plan, your advisor will make adjustments based on those inputs. But for the most part, we think this is going to be a seamless and easy process. And so this first part of the form just gives you some disclaimer information, and an important key date here is March 30th. We want to encourage you to go ahead and put in your request, because we will be registering students in the order we receive these forms. But go ahead and put this form in. We will start registration on March 30th. And then you'll go ahead and put in your name. And I'm just going to use a test as an example real quick. So test, you put in your name, your JCC email, and your phone number so we can get up with you if we need to be. You'll indicate your major. And then if you are double majoring, you can enter that here. Then you'll hit next. Next, you'll go ahead and put in your summer and fall preferences. For the summer, let's say you are going to register. You don't really need full-time, maybe. And then how many classes you want, if there's any specific requests or special instructions, if you want seated, online, or a combination of both. And then if you have any availability requests, that if you do want seated, you're only available during a certain time, you can put that here. And then we'll go to answer the same questions for the fall. You'll go in and put that you are going to register for fall if that's the case. If you do want full-time enrollment, you'll let us know. You indicate how many classes that you want, and you can provide any special instructions, specific instructors that you would like, things like that. And then you can request all seated, all online, or a combination. Let's say that you want a combination as an example. Then you can put your availability right here to let your advisor know what your availability is. And then next, that's about it. You've got a few more questions. We want to ask, what do you prefer? Do you like this registration process better than the previous process? What type of, how can we make the process even better for you? How can we make your overall JCC experience better? Do you have any additional comments? And this last part is the disclaimer that you or your advisor would have read to you from OnBase. And that just goes over some of your responsibilities. We encourage you to read that. When you're done, you will enter your name here and you will hit submit. And that will conclude your part of the registration process. Your advisor will get this information, register you for classes, and email you a confirmation after March 30th to indicate that you have been registered or to make any adjustments that need to be made. And so I hope you've enjoyed this brief presentation. This is really just to help you get a better sense of what we're doing. And we welcome any feedback or any comments that you have. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.